A compound that helps soldiers wounded in war is now helping women erase their wrinkles. So what is it and how does it work? Dr. Michael Nesnick of Woodstock is one of the first in the country to use it, and he's here with some answers. Good morning, and thanks so much for joining us.
Good morning, Jennifer. How are you?
Good. So tell us about the history of this product. It was initially used by the Department of Defense for soldiers wounded in battle.
Correct. What they were looking for is they were looking for a solution to help tissue regeneration, advance wound healing, and actually reduce scar reduction. In a battlefield situation, that would be paramount as far as preserving the skin and actually reducing infection and saving the soldier's life. So what they were looking for was a solution to how do we create this elastin naturally in mass quantities, but make it cost-effective, yet still work the way it should be. And this company called Dermalast actually came up with a product called elastotropin that actually does this and solve their problem.
So it worked so well with the soldiers that they thought, hey, we can use this for wrinkle reduction.
Yeah, it's like anything, necessity is the mother of invention, and when we're looking for something, sometimes we find another cause for it and another reason for it, and that's exactly what they did.
So we have some before and after pictures that we want to show, and as we do that, tell us what kind of difference you're seeing in the patients you've treated.
Well, if you look at the picture, you'll notice the opening of the eye, you'll notice the frown lines around the mouth disappear, you'll notice the crease lines above the forehead also disappear. So you pretty much get the wow factor. Well, there's actually two ways. One way is to use a procedure. We use a machine called the Cairo 950 that uses microcurrent to push down a stronger concentration of elastotropin deep into the tissues, and you get a larger quantity. And they say that during a typical treatment, you can replace up to 2 years of a lost elastin.
Wow.
Now, we also have the compound, that's the skin cream, that you use in conjunction with that, or you can use it on its own, but obviously if you do both treatments together, you get quicker, faster results.
If you're just using the cream, how long will it take before you notice a difference?
It depends on how much skin damage there is and how old you are and how your skin reacts. Everybody reacts differently, but you always see a marked improvement within the first 30 to 60 days.
How does this compare in terms of performance and also price to other anti-aging treatments?
Well, as far as price goes, it's pretty reasonably affordable. Like the skin cream for a 60-day supply is about $89, and then we have an eye serum that's actually about $49 that does more concentration around the eye. How it compares to other products is the elastotropin, they use a amino acid complex that'll actually push it down deeper into the cell, and because it's so like our own natural elastin, there's no adverse effects to it and there's no allergic reactions to it.
Oh, that's always good news.
Yeah.
Well, it's really interesting, and especially given the history. We appreciate your time, Dr. Nesnick.
No
Thanks
problem.
for joining us, and we'll
Thanks.
put some information, contact information on our website in the
Okay.
Scene On section later on this morning.